Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the Tusk full glass windshield for the Polaris Trail 900. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you the full glass windshield for the Polaris Trail 900. So for us, windshields, I've said it in every video, I'll say it again, they're one of our must-have accessories. I'm a big fan of a full windshield just because there's a lot of situations where I want to block as much wind flow as possible, but you still need some venting, and we are going to talk about that with this windshield. That being said, we do have several options for the Trail 900 for windshields. As far as full goes, we have a full glass, and we do also have a full polycarbonate option as well. Now, a full glass windshield, it's the premium choice. It is going to be more expensive, but there are some benefits about full glass that me personally and a lot of us here that we really like. So first of all, is just the durability. This is made with the frame being powder coated steel. All the mounting hardware will come included, just mounts right to the roll cage with these anodized aluminum clamps. But then when you get to the glass, so this is the same safety laminated auto glass that's on your car or your truck's windshield, which means the clarity is awesome and the durability is really good. You know, it's very, very scratch resistant. So it's gonna be more scratch resistant than polycarbonate, even one that's gonna be, say, hard coated. So if you're looking for the most long-term durability and the best clarity, then a glass windshield is gonna be the way to go. Now this will work with either the stock or our Tusk aluminum roof, which you can see we have on here right now. Now I also do have a wiper blade on here, which is nice. You definitely need one of those. And what's nice is that this will come included with your windshield. When it comes to a full windshield, glass or polycarbonate, you've got to have a wiper blade on there. If you get caught in some rain, you've got to be able to maintain your visibility. So I definitely recommend a wiper blade. And now the other thing I want to talk about that I mentioned earlier is venting. With a full windshield, again, you're still going to be in situations where you want some airflow going into the cab. And so with this window, there's a couple ways you can achieve that. The first is there is a built-in vent right down here at the bottom. So just a couple fastening knobs, you loosen those and you can take that vent off or the shield off of that vent. And that will allow some airflow to come into the cab. And this actually, you know, it doesn't look that big, but it does allow quite a bit of airflow to go in there. But if you want to maximize the airflow, then what I would recommend are these wing vents from Tusk. So these mount right up to the roll cage. You can see they work great with this windshield. And the purpose of these is to make up for the lack of venting that you might have with a full windshield. And how these work is once you have them mounted up, they pivot and you can rotate these and direct as much or as little airflow as you want into the cab. So if you want to combat the dust, if it's a hot day and you just want to stay cool, these things are awesome. They can get a ton of airflow going in there and circulating. What's also nice about these too is that, you know, with the windshield, you might have it there to block the air, and these wing vents will actually add kind of an addition and add to the width to block even more air for you when they are in that close position. So again, if you are looking for a full glass windshield, a premium option at a great price point, this is the way to go. It looks good on the machine. They did a great job with the construction. It fits the shape and the contour of the hood really well. You've got a gasket going all the way around. And if you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered. So make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And as always, orders over $75, ship free. These are model specific, so when you're picking yours up, just be sure to enter the year, make, and model. You're gonna be good to go. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.